In this video, I'll show you how you can install Spotify on your OnePlus Watch 4. All you have to do is open the Google Play Store, and to do this, simply press the crown button on the home screen when you're on the home screen to access all the applications, and then scroll down and find the Play Store. So here it is, tap on it, and then from here you have to look for Spotify. Now normally it might appear right here as you scroll through, but in case it doesn't appear here, you can tap on the search icon, and then you can either use your microphone or you can use the keyboard on the watch to search for Spotify. So choose the option that you'd like. So I'll use the keyboard and then type in Spotify. So as you type it in, you can see some options right here. So I can tap on Spotify and then tap on the search icon, and then you can now find your Spotify. Now from here, you can tap on install, or you can simply tap on the application and then tap on install again. And now it will install the Spotify application on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now let's give it a few minutes. Now, once the application has been installed, you can tap on open to launch it directly from here, or you can simply go back and access the applications and find Spotify. So tap on Spotify to launch it. And then from here, it will automatically log in to your account depending on the phone that you currently paired on your watch. So if you have Spotify on the paired watch, it will automatically log into your account. Now from here, you can simply swipe up from the homepage, on the Spotify homepage, and find any song that you'd like to play or any radio that you'd like to play. So for instance, this particular one, you can tap on it and then you can choose to play it. And now you can listen to your music. Now, if you select play, it will prompt you to choose a device you'd like to play that music from. So you can either use a Bluetooth device, you can choose your phone, or you can choose this particular watch. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.